New to the carnivore diet and feeling lost. I started as a total beginner too, no clue what I was doing. But I went from confused to dropping 20 kilos in a year, and I'll show you how. Stick around for the 10 tips that makes it easier to start and keep going. Step number 1. When I first heard about the carnivore diet, I didn't even know what it meant to eat only meat. It sounded strange because most diet pushed vegetables and variety, not just beef and bacon. But I was tired of feeling bloated and low on energy, so I decided to give it a shot. The big question is figuring out what to eat without overthinking it. Sticking to meat sounds simple, but people mess it up by adding stuff like sauces or side they don't need. Why? Because they're scared of missing out flavor or nutrients. But here's the thing. Meat has everything your body needs, and studies shows that people thrive on it. Some worry they'll get bored eating steak every day, but that's nonsense. You just switch up cuts like ribeye or pork chops. Try starting with ground beef, it's cheap and it's easy. Don't go buying fancy spices you won't use. You'll end up at a grocery list that's just short and a plain that's dead and simple. No confusions, just meat and your plate, and your body starts feeling better fast. Picking up the right meat is only half the battle. Next, you got to cook it right. And the second part is cooking meat every day sounds like a chore if you've never done it before. I started with zero skills, burning steaks and undercooking chicken like a rookie. Carnivore diet works best when you can make your food taste good without much effort. The trick is keeping it easy while avoiding dry, boring meals. Overcooking kills the flavor. That's why I used to dread eating. A solid reason to get it right is you stick with the diet longer if it tastes good. Use a pan, some salt and medium heat. That's it. Some say you need fancy grills or tools, but that's just overkill. A cheap skillet works fine. Burn a burger. Flip it sooner next time. You get juicy, tasty meat every meal without spending hours in the kitchen. It's so simple you wonder why you ever struggled. Now that cooking is covered, let's talk about how much meat you actually need. But before we go into step number 3, I have a free guide for you that guarantees you to lose 5 pounds in just 7 days. I have every tip and tricks that that you can start the carnivore diet and lose weight fast. Click the link down in the description and download your own copy, and I will help you to get started in the best way on the carnivore diet.